Welcome to this video on GAAP Advisors Channel. GAAP Advisors reviews Ind AS financial statements on a request basis and on moto basis. This video discusses an example on non-compliance with Ind AS 20 and Ind AS 1. A review of financial statements. Ind AS financial statements take 16 to 24 hours. It is a humble request that if you find this video useful, please contribute your desired amount by scanning the QR code given in the slides. This slide shows the accounting policy on refundable government loans published by a listed company in its financial statements. We have highlighted the presentation policy where we want the viewer to focus on. The company recognizes income from the grant under revenue from operations. In our view, this presentation is not in accordance with Ind AS 20. The reason for the same is explained in the next slide. Paragraph 29 of Ind AS 20 provides the following policy choices for presentation of grants related to income. 1. In a separate line item. 2. Under a general heading of other income. Or 3. Deducted in reporting the related expense. Therefore, the company may present the grant related to below market rate loan either separately in profit or loss or aggregate the same with other income or reduce the finance cost. However, the company has aggregated the same with a revenue from operations. Therefore, the company has not complied with the requirements of Ind AS 20. Further, paragraph 7 of Ind AS 1 considers inappropriate aggregation as resulting in obscuring information. Thank you so much for watching this video and for your contribution. Hope you found this video useful. If you would like to get your financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them in PDF in near publishing format to info@gapadvisors.com.